Hi, it's Neil again. You got us. This is the Global Sources October edition of the trade show. We're looking at various booths, the different products. Just want to see what's new. You want to see what's going on 2015, especially at one of the largest trade shows in the world. So let's go and have a look at Benny and his team at one of the booths. Oh, I don't know what, I forget what they make, but we're going to have a look now. So follow me. Let's have a look. Where are they? Here we are. We're here to watch. Hi, we're back again.
Yeah.
Right, lots of energy here. We've got 5 salespeople for. So what we want to do is ask some questions about the different products that you have.
Okay, Catherine will answer your question.
Why me?
Sorry, who?
Bunny, okay.
Catherine, yes.
Yeah,
Catherine, let's start with some of these power banks.
Yeah.
Can we?
No. This
Not power bank.
Yeah,
oh, this is a USB tower.
Yeah.
Everyone needs their power. Look, everyone's got 5 smartphones these days, so you need 5 of these USBs.
Yeah.
But this is very interesting. KYT, don't forget, that's your
It's our
brand, your logo. I like that.
logo.
But do you make for OEM too, right?
Yeah.
So buyers can put their own logo here if they buy from your company.
You find your logo here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
But one thing that's very important when buyers buy anything electrical, you've got to understand, number one, does the Chinese manufacturer have the license to export? You have the license.
Yeah.
Okay, number 2, do they have the regulations for the country to which you are importing into? So for example, FCC or CE. So you have... And oh, even more, okay. ROHS, we understand that. KC, SAA, ERP. We've got, and then the plug. You need all these requirements for the plugs. So this is really interesting here because some suppliers will say, oh look, we have CE, we don't need FCC. But the problem is that FCC is specific to the USA. And also if you have a failure under FCC, it's a redesign, whereas failure under CE, you don't need to do a redesign. So there are different requirements under these certifications. So it's really interesting that we're covering these now, especially when we're talking about power. Okay, let's have a look. And we've got different packaging that you're offering. So this one here is a, wow, very heavy, old tone. Very heavy.
Yeah, this one you can see here.
Yes, so this has 8. You have 8 USB now, you plug it in. Let's have a look at the details here. What we got? Output 10 amp and 1.8 amp max, 10 amp. Wow, that's a pretty high power unit you got here. Wow, it's all coming out. I'll probably need one of these at one point in time. Okay. Solar. Those thing about environment. Joe, you like the environment, don't you? This one's for you. All right, because this doesn't require power as much, right? Let's have a look at the details here. So we've got a the polymer battery, 10,000 milliamps, which is pretty heavy stuff. Charging time 4 to 7 hours. Cycle life 800 times, and we've got charger outputs, 1 amp, and you've got 2 ports. Second port is a 2 amp port. So you've got 2 ports. You can actually charge it up manually, or you can just put it under the sun. Wow, I like that. Especially when you're going to Mars, you need something like this.
Like it, you can get one. Yeah.
I like that. This is great. Okay. That's the same. This is it here, right?
Yeah.
Same one.
Just a show one.
Okay. This is great.
Thank you.
Okay, what else have we got?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is very interesting. I like this one. Oh, multifunction outdoor wireless Bluetooth speaker with power bank flashlight function. Wow, what else do you need? Wow, flashlight, speaker. Oh, here it is here.
Yeah.
All right. It's in a nice gift box too.
Yeah. It's also gift box.
It's a very nice gift box. Look at that. Wow, nice packaging. Yes. Okay, and what's inside that packaging? Power.
Yeah, power.
Aux in. Okay. USB for charging.
Yeah, and also FM radio.
FM radio.
Yeah.
You can charge your iPhone. You can charge it up here, the battery inside.
Yeah.
And you got aux in, and you've got speaker here, and you've got flashlight here,
Also power bank.
power bank,
Yeah.
and FM radio.
Yeah.
Okay, on, off, lights, and wow, it's got everything. Amazing.
See? So detail here.
Oh, details here.
Yeah.
Great.
5-in-1.
So how big is the battery? Let's have a look.
6,000.
6,000
Yeah.
milliamps. Wow, that's a pretty sizable battery for the.
Yeah. 6,000.
Yeah.
And then we can just put it on bicycle and
Oh, you put on your bicycle.
Yeah, can put it.
So that just clips over here like that.
Yeah.
Right, and then put on your bike.
Yeah, put it on bicycle.
Put that in there. Okay, that's great. I like that. That's a great idea.
It's okay, just put it here.
Interesting. I'm just thinking about how it works. That's all.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, so we've got lots of different power solutions here because everyone needs power these days. They need battery for something. And then you've got these here.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kathy, just a few questions. Number one, with this one here, so what's the MOQ?
MOQ?
Yeah.
This one, 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
All right, and how much unit price?
You want 2,000 MOQ price?
Yes.
Yeah, it's 7.8.
7.8 US dollars.
Yeah.
7.8 US dollars. Okay. So now then we go to the 6 unit one.
This one is 6.5 amps. Yeah, also 5 points.
Okay. Got the detail here. Got the detail here. Yeah, it's good. All right. And then 2,000 MOQ.
2,000, yeah.
2,000. And so what's the unit price in that one?
The price?
Yeah.
You want the price will be lower. And this one, the price will be 7.2.
7.2. This one is
This one is 7. This one will be expensive than this one because this one is 7.8 amps. This one is 6.5 amps.
ah,
Price is different.
yeah, this is 7.2. This one how much again? This one?
7.8.
7.8. This one's cheaper, and the reason why it's cheaper is that this
Because the voltage
6.5
Yeah.
amp max, but this one here can do 7.8 amps max.
And this one can be 12 amps.
So this is 12 amp. So you're 7.8, 7.2. This is 12 amp. I would expect this one to be maybe 10, 11 US dollar per unit.
This one?
Yes. 10 US dollar, 12 US dollar.
10 to 12. Yeah.
10 to 12.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Oh, we're getting good at this, aren't we?
10.5.
Pardon?
10.5 US dollar.
10.5.
Yeah.
And minimum order quantity?
This one is 1,000.
1,000.
This one expensive.
Okay, so again, no, you just can't say, oh, this one has 5, this one has 6, this one has 4. That doesn't mean that price is different. Part of the price is determined by how much the input and output. So the output here is 10 amps. So it's much more heavy duty. It can run out. You could charge 5 notebook computers with this one. You probably couldn't charge 5 notebook computers with this one here, or it may take longer to charge. So that's the thing you need to think about.
Just put it. Yeah.
So you just use that.
Cable.
So when you ship this, do you ship it with these?
Yeah, together.
That ships together like that, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
And this one must be red color. Will be beautiful. Let's see. Black.
Oh, okay. So you got to have black. Oh, the colour's important too. Okay.
Yeah.
That's out of my qualification, but there's not much of my qualification anyway. But anyway, here's. Okay, we've got black on black. Okay, that makes sense.
Black. And this one.
All right.
6 point.
6 point.
Yeah. The same output.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You can charge
10 amp.
it together.
So maybe $11, $12. How much?
Yeah, this one expensive than this one.
More?
Because the price is much.
Oh yeah. So this must be 12 more.
11.8 to 12.
11.8 to 12 per unit.
On the surface treatment. Because this one has rubberized,
Yes.
glossy,
So which one's more expensive, glossy or rubber?
Rubber.
Rubber's more.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is rubber. It's $11.80. Minimum order 1,000 units.
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah.
This one has a glossy
Glossy.
treatment.
You can also do glossy.
Yeah, I can see that. So that means it's cheaper to have the gloss.
Yeah, cheaper.
Ah,
And this
okay.
one.
All right, very interesting.
$0.2 cheaper than.
Wow. So
Yeah, that's the package.
so this is a package come with. All right. So the package comes with that 1,000 minimum order.
The price
Yes.
include.
Trick. Buyers, you need to ask this. It's very important.
Because
Yeah.
we do package for
There's
customers,
always some
also
more,
OEM,
okay?
Also OEM
yeah.
package.
I am.
Different customers have different package. No
Yeah.
one is the same. So
So
Personal.
okay, if I would ask you to do basic packaging for me,
They will be
1,000
different.
units.
Here will be different.
Of course, this will be different, but how much per unit price would add on?
You want the package?
Yes.
There will be extra $0.32
Oh, 0.32.
per one.
0.3, okay, so 0.32 if they do the packaging for you, but there are a lot of different factors you need to consider the packaging too,
Yeah, you
right?
can design by yourself and ask our students.
Exactly. So you can get them to design for you if you trust them, of course, and you know that that design will be protected in some way. Otherwise, you might have to do it yourself and have it secretly done somewhere else for a black box manufacturer. All right. So different options are available to buyers when they're packaging, but the price really isn't that much more expensive. 0.32. Okay, very good. 0.32 US dollar for each unit of packaging. Well, Kathy, very interesting to have a look at all these products. Thank you very much for taking me through some of them. Any more? I'm just going to get confused. But this is Key Lan Tai. This is Kou, yeah. There you go again.
KYT.
Ke Yan Tai. Okay, I like that. All right.
Thank you.
So let's, wait a minute, where are we? KYD, I like that.
You want our
KYT. KYT is the brand name. This is Neil at the Global Sources October edition. Catch you in the next booth. Thank you for tuning in. Bye for now.